Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pinpointing the exact policy flagged in your AdSense account. This matters because remediation differs by violation. Once done, collect the offending URLs, dates, sample impressions, and the policy notification email. Make a local backup of your site and export AdSense reports for the relevant 7 to 30-day window so you can reference traffic and ad units. Now that you have evidence and a copy of your site, you can proceed to targeted fixes with clarity and documented proof. You must correct the root causes. For content violations, edit or remove problem pages and publish compliant replacements explaining the change. Once done, audit ad units and placements, move ads away from interactive elements, remove deceptive labels, and eliminate sticky or overlay ads that cause accidental clicks. Also make technical fixes. Clean up malformed HTML, enable HTTPS, fix robots or canonical tags, and validate structured data. Together, these changes demonstrate you've addressed policy and reduced recidivism risk. After fixes, validate changes with manual review and automated site scanners. Note any lingering problems. Then prepare an appeal. Be concise and factual, list each URL fixed, the exact steps you took, and attach exported reports as evidence. Submit the appeal through the Policy Center and monitor email. If you get a denial, don't panic. Wait 72 hours, re-evaluate the flagged items, make deeper corrections, and resubmit with new documentation. One key troubleshooting tip: document everything so repeated appeals show measurable remediation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.